Hi, I'm Kelly from Metro Payment Technologies. We've partnered with NMI to bring you our customized Metro Payment Gateway. Today's video will be covering the topics shown below. We hope you find this video helpful, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.
Test mode is where you can put your account into a state where it will no longer reach out to your credit card processor or check processors to run transactions. When you're on the page, you can click the Enable Test Mode button, and this will flip your account to test mode. You'll see a banner appear at the top. You can tap that to read about what test mode is. And now everything I do, whether it be running transactions in the virtual terminal, using the electronic check, recurring, customer vault, all of this will be test transactions. None of this will actually be processed, and no customers will see charges on their accounts. It's all happening internally in the gateway and is intended as a way for you to test functionality. If you are integrating to a website, for example, this is very convenient to put your account into a test mode while you test your website to make sure that it connects correctly, and you can use transaction reports to see if transactions are coming in correctly and are being charged the correct way. Because the gateway will not reach out to any processing services while this mode is enabled, you will not accrue any gateway fees as well for transactions, vault records, for anything that is run during this mode. When you're done, you can hit Disable Test Mode, and your account is back. It's important to note that any transactions, recurring subscriptions, or customer vault IDs that you create in test mode will not display when you're out of test mode. So you can't add things to the vault while you're in test mode that you're actually going to use. Anything you add in test mode is only for test mode. If you ever decide that you are done with the information that you've added in test, you can go down here to Flush Test Transactions, and you can choose what information you want to remove and how long you want it to go. You can either choose to delete everything or anything that's older than 30 days, 7 days, or 24 hours. Hit Flush Transactions, and that'll clear it all out for you. Again, this is only test data, not real data in your Gateway account.
Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions regarding our gateway, please contact us at 1-800-771-3719 or email us at service@metropaytech.com. Also, be sure to check out our website, www.metropaytech.com, to see all the other products and services we offer, including our new Fee Buster program, which offers you 0 processing fees.